All right, everybody, welcome back to Project COVID 1953, our 1953 Chevy 150 project. I want to talk to you a little bit about the exhaust and what I went through to get everything set up on the exhaust. I ended up going with exhaust manifolds that I got, and again, this is a budget build, but there's also some intricacies that I had to work around. I'm running a T5 transmission and using the stock slave cylinder, and it's right off the left side of the bell housing. Well, the exhaust would go through there, so it's got to kind of fit in this tight little window to get and go back. So I ended up finding a set that was offset just enough to be able to use. I used ceramic paint that bakes on. I got it from Eastwood. It's very cool stuff that looks great. And they just basically running it bakes it in. So sandblasted them, baked them, and bolted them on the car. And then from there, I got basically a pipe kit from Jegs that's 2.5 inch, and I basically started piecing things together and running back. The exhaust, I'm going to be running Super 44 mufflers on it, and the exhaust, if you've seen the gas tank episode, I've centered the gas tank, so I'm going to be running dual exhaust all the way out the back on either side of the gas tank and out back by the rear bumper. So all that was done in place, welded together and mocked together. It's also been sanded down and painted, and with exhaust paint as well, and both as much as I could get on the inside as well as the outside. And I'm just going black. I'm trying to hide everything underneath the car. So it's done, and it looks good. It sounded great when I test run the engine. So stay tuned. There's more to come, but the exhaust is turning out in my mind, though it actually turned out the way I thought it would in my mind. So pretty happy with that. So stay tuned.